In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's advanced features in 2025. Picking up where we left off in part 1, let's dive right into it by first signing up for a free Asana account. Open your browser and head over to asana.com. Once you're there, you'll see the option to click on Get Started. You can sign up using either your email address or your Google account. For now, select the basic plan, which is free, and here's the great part: no credit card is required. This makes it very accessible for anyone wanting to try out the platform without making any commitments. Now that you've got your account up and running, you might be wondering, what's included with this free plan? You actually get quite a bit. Asana provides unlimited tasks, projects, messages, and activity logs. Not only that, but it also offers unlimited storage, although keep in mind there's a 100 MB limit per file. You can invite up to 10 teammates to collaborate within a workspace, making it perfect for small teams or personal productivity. Let's move on to setting up your first workspace. You can create a workspace either for yourself or for your team, depending on your needs. Within this workspace, it's time to set up some projects. Think of these projects as broad categories like a marketing plan, content calendar, or even personal goals. Under each project, you can create tasks and subtasks to break your work down into manageable parts. This is an effective way of organizing your workload and ensuring nothing gets overlooked. When it comes to managing these tasks, Asana provides various views to help you stay organized. Even on the free plan, you have access to List View, Board View, and Calendar View. List View is your typical task list, great for those who like traditional to-do lists. Board View offers Kanban-style boards, ideal for visualizing workflows. Lastly, Calendar View gives you a perspective on upcoming deadlines, helping you visualize your tasks over time. Utilizing these different views can significantly enhance your productivity and task management. Collaboration is a breeze with Asana. You can add up to 10 teammates at no extra cost, and each task can be assigned to a single owner to maintain clarity and responsibility. You also have the option to add collaborators to tasks, allowing others to receive updates and stay in the loop. Plus, you can comment directly on tasks and upload any files necessary, keeping all your team's communication and information in one centralized place. That's it for today's walkthrough of Asana's basic features. I hope you found this helpful as you start exploring Asana's capabilities. Don't forget to experiment with these features to find out what works best for you and your team. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.